Aloha everyone. Here we go with another segment of Concrete Pour. This time it's a detached garage. The concrete trucks just arrived and here we go. No need for a pump to place concrete because the truck is able to go around the garage. It's a rear discharge truck and we're able to place it right from the truck. Once it's poured, the concrete is striked off or screeded the old-fashioned way, bent over with an aluminum rod or a straight 2x4. When the concrete is sufficiently hard and able to hold its form, we strip the form boards on the garage curbs. The tools that is used to shape and shine the curbs are the following. When the concrete floor is hard enough to hold your weight, then it's time to put on the whirlybird. On this power trowel, I use the combo blade. The pattern that I use is what I call an up left, down right, back up, left overlap. When the first pass is done, on the second pass, I'll go in the opposite direction. I'll repeat until the last two pass. The last pass of the whirlybird will go in a diagonal pattern. Another thing to notice is that I do not increase the speed of the bird. I'll stay with this RPM until it is done. If it's done right, you won't have to increase the speed. And when you are on the last pass at a diagonal, it will shine like no other. Notice the pattern there. As the concrete gets harder, I change the pitch on the blade. Before the last pass, I'll remove the bird from the slab and scrape all the concrete stuck on the blades. What will happen if you don't do this? The leftover concrete, which is now dry, will fall during finish and the blades will ruin your finish as it goes over the dry concrete. And there's the diagonal pattern that I use. Once again, I'm trying to get the corners. And if it's not dry on that particular run, on that diagonal, I go back in the other direction. Here's a common mistake made by concrete companies. Your garage normally will slope 1/4 inch per foot. So when a homeowner wants to wash a car or spray water, the water is supposed to flow out of the garage door. Everything is made and designed to allow for that. However, the garage corner by the curb oftentimes, if not done correctly, traps water in the corner and does not allow it to flow. In the placement stage of your garage pour, it is important that they create a ramp to divert the water from the corner and out the garage opening. They do this by throwing a handful of concrete in a corner, thus creating a water diversion. If you have a garage, try the water test. And if it flows out, then they've done it right. And if it doesn't, then they did not do it right.